Touch one. Untouched down Montezuma Bowl. Alright buddy, I'll just continue to ride super untouched, amazing pow on a bluebird pow day without you.
I'm gonna cry.
What's up Team Buckhouse? Welcome to beautiful A Basin on another 5-inch pow day. The snow feels like midwinter snow, so I think we're gonna have an insane day. We have audio right now. Last time I filled the camera full of snow. I will not do that again today. Back out with my buddy Sean. And today's gonna be sick, so let's get it. Alright, we're gonna go to Montezuma. The bowl should be prime time money. That was like one of the best lines of the season, untouched down Montezuma Bowl. Come on, that was sick. And it wasn't crunchy or nothing. It was just like
so good. You should have been there. You should have.
You guys should have been. You should have woke up early. Early bird gets the worm. So we're gonna hike up, get a longer, more untouched line. All right, here we go. Dropping spot. What a gorgeous day for a pow day.
What a gorgeous view.
Ooh.
Look at that.
Breck. Keystone's right there. Silverthorne, that's the area I live in. It's over there. You can't see from the GoPro, but this view is 10 out of 10.
There's my tattoo studio right there.
Oh, there it is. All right, so I kind of killed Sean on that one, but it's not my fault. He's rushing. He's actually got to go look for a new place. I just got a new place. If you missed that video, check it out. Super thankful I got my family into a home, got myself a YouTube studio. It's pretty sick. But so Sean's looking for a place.
And it's really, really hard, as you know, to find a place.
Oh, it's so hard. So Sean's got to take this house hunting super serious. But he does have a studio at his tattoo shop. And it's so many of you guys are getting the Evolution sticker tattooed or logo tattooed on them. That logo right there. I'm so cool with that. Keep getting it tattooed on your body, guys. But if you're in Colorado, don't do it unless Sean does it. Sean is the greatest tattoo artist I know. Gave me the best tattoo I've ever gotten. And Sean is the man. So if you are going to get an Evolution tattoo, Summit Ink Tattoo in Summit County, hit up Sean, give the boys some business. And then if you're an artist and you want to live here and do what we're doing and then go tattoo people, He's hiring.
Yeah, but you got to know what you're doing.
Yeah, you got to be a pro. He ain't hiring no YouTube tattoo art.
And if you know anybody selling a house in Summit, hit me up, please. God, please.
It's so
not
hard.
$1 million house. We're talking something affordable, please.
It's so hard to get a home. I'm so thankful I got mine. Good luck, buddy. And now I'm stuck with this decision. Do I bail on Sean and keep ripping this bowl? Because it's so good.
Dude, let's go see if the east wall's open.
We don't have time to hike to the tip top.
No,
of
we're not going to hike it. We're going to just drop it and just go, go, go.
He wants to ride the bottom half of the east wall, which is super fun. It's just a little more fun after you drop the east wall.
I just don't have time.
Yeah, no time for Sean. All right, buddy, I'll just continue to ride super untouched, amazing POW on a Bluebird POW day without you.
I'm going to cry. This
Bye, Sean. You know, guys, I do feel bad for Sean. Days like these just do not happen often. But do you know what does happen often? Today's sticker shout out. We got Drew Gurley with the gold sticker on the snowboard or on the helmet. Looking so sick, dude. Thank you so much for snagging some merch. As well as Live the Snowboard 1 with also a gold sticker on the helmet. And then the Roman sticker on the snowboard. Looking so sick, guys. Thank you so much to everyone that has snagged Evolution stickers this season. The season is far from over. So guys, continue to snag merch. If you want an Evolution sticker or any of the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, all the merch, guys, it's linked in the description. If you do snag any of it though, make sure you tag me on my Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. But also follow my Instagram. I needed to know, should I go ride POW at a basin or go ride the new park that Copper just got finished today? And you guys decided, you said come to a basin. So I'm here ripping POW. And it's funny because like a basin, this is like 5-6 inches of fresh snow and there's no crunch underneath, which is like amazing. But Copper only got 3 inches, and so it's just like, where do I go? Like, some places are getting more snow. Like Breck's been getting like 10 inches of snow. Breck's on another level. We'll be riding Breck as soon as Copper is closed, by the way. All right, we don't got Sean, but we do got a couple more laps in us, so enough talking. Let's get back to this sick POW day. All right, so I walked all the way over here, and I look over, and they literally just opened the east wall. First guy's walking up. I think we're headed to the east wall. Gonna ride down what I literally just walked up, get to that east wall. Because we're gonna do the east wall though, that means this one's gonna be chipmunk. It's gonna be a lot of effort and everything, and I'm still moving. Gotta get the studio ready for you guys. But I heard shoot one's open. We have never done shoot one. First notch. Let's go. Month seen rocked. Hopefully that wasn't too wet. Not bad. Not a bad run to do chipmunk. Notch one on the east wall, like second person to drop in there. It was good, but there were some pretty big rocks in there that were covered by the snow. and I was like seeing them last second. Got taken out by one. Board's not doing too hot, but it's okay. It's a tool. Use it. Plus, like dropping into the east wall with that much snow, I don't know if that'll ever happen again. That was so nice. Still rocking the truck, my buddy's truck, until I'm done with this move. So all the furniture is moved. Right now I'm remodeling the studio. Once the studio's got like all the stuff on the walls and it looks nice, I can then bring the desk over, install the desk and all the other cool things that are gonna be hanging up, and it's gonna be a vibe in there. I'm super excited. I'm so hot though. Give me a second. I'm gonna take all this off and I'll talk to you guys in a second. I need to be plugging this sooner in the video, but if you made it this far and you want to get sick at snowboarding, sign up for Snowboard Camp June 6th through the 13th or 12th, and then the 13th through the 19th. 2 separate weeks of camp, all-inclusive snowboard camp with me in Hood at Timberline Ski Resort. You gotta come to camp. It's gonna be so sick. So if you want to come to snowboard camp, once again, it's linked in the description. We are filling up. I'm so, when I see all the people that signed up for camp, I get so hyped. I'm like, it's gonna be a sick camp. And I hope you guys are hyped too. And other than that, Team Buckhouse, I don't know, this was like one of the heaviest days of the season, especially for POW and Untouched lines and just vibe. Like, it was sick, and now the clouds are rolling in and we're rolling out, and dude, today couldn't have got any better. I love snowboarding. I love that we're still snowboarding. So many of you guys don't realize in Colorado, you can snowboard super late into the season. That's why I live here. That's why it's important that I had to get a house in Summit County, because the season in Summit County is just longer than most other places. All right, I could talk to you guys for a day, but I got to go remodel this studio. So with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with me today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliff.